For 50 years, we were told the same story. If you want a secure life, go to college, get a degree, find a desk in a climate-controlled building. We thought the robot revolution would happen to blue-collar workers, the people in factories, warehouses, and assembly lines. We thought our intelligence was our shield. But it's 2026, and the shield has shattered. The revolution didn't arrive with mechanical arms or heavy gears. It came as a line of code. It's sitting in your browser. It's answering your emails. It's filing your taxes. While we were distracted by artificial intelligence making funny images, it was quietly mastering the middle class. Tonight, we look at the quiet extinction. Not a loud explosion of layoffs, but a silent thinning of the herd. Most people, maybe even you, don't realize it's happening until the desk next to them stays empty for good. This is how the 9-to-5 dies. In 2026, the value of information processing has dropped to zero. Think about what a junior lawyer, accountant, or data analyst actually does. 80% of their time is spent collecting, organizing, and summarizing information. 10 years ago, that required an expensive degree and brutal work hours. Today, an agentic artificial intelligence can do the same work in seconds for the price of a cup of coffee. Across the United States, something strange is happening. Large firms aren't announcing mass layoffs. Instead, they are simply not hiring. This is silent automation. The entry-level white-collar job is becoming an endangered species. And if the bottom of the ladder disappears, how does anyone climb to the top? We are witnessing the death of the starter career, and the implications for the American dream are staggering. The real shift happened when artificial intelligence stopped talking and started doing. In early 2024, we had chatbots. You asked questions, and they answered. But by 2026, we have agents. You don't give them tasks. You give them goals. Research 500 competitors. Find pricing weaknesses, write a strategy report, email it to the board, and then you go to sleep. While you sleep, the agent navigates websites, logs into software, makes decisions, and completes the work. This is white-collar replacement happening in real time. It's not just replacing the person typing, it's replacing the person coordinating. Middle management, once the backbone of corporate structure, is being hollowed out. Why pay managers to oversee teams of humans when one person can oversee thousands of artificial intelligence agents at a fraction of the cost? In corporate boardrooms, a comforting line is repeated. Artificial intelligence won't replace you. A person using artificial intelligence will, but the math doesn't work. If one person using artificial intelligence can now do the work of 10 people, companies won't keep all 10. They keep one and let the other 9 go. We are entering the productivity trap. Output is reaching record highs, while the human requirement for that output is reaching record lows. This creates a ghost economy. Companies become more profitable, but the path to a stable white-collar life shrinks into a needle's eye. The notice doesn't come as a pink slip. It arrives slowly when you realize your skills are no longer needed. They've become hobbies. So, is it over? Is the professional human finished? Only if you try to beat the machine at its own game. You cannot outprocess artificial intelligence. You cannot outwork it. You cannot be more accurate than it. White-collar work is passing through a great filter. Routine thinkers are being replaced, but those who offer what machines lack will remain essential. Strategy, empathy, accountability. A machine can suggest legal strategies, but it cannot stand in a courtroom and argue for your life. A machine can analyze medical scans, but it cannot hold a patient's hand and say, everything will be okay. The quiet extinction is real. Desks are emptying. But for those who lean into their humanity, messy, emotional, unpredictable humanity, the future is not a threat. It's an opportunity to stop working like robots and start living like humans. Machines are taking the jobs. It's up to us to reclaim the work. If you want to learn how to stay relevant in this new economy, watch our deep dive on the Ghost in the Machine next. And don't forget to subscribe, because in 2026, staying informed may be the only way to stay human. Thanks for watching.